Make a great choice today with the 2016 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, CD player, electronic stability control, heated front seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.